Hey everyone, welcome back to Loopsy Lola. Today we're going to start to learn how to crochet, and we are going to start with the foundation chain. So if you want to grab your hooks, size I, 5.5 millimeter, and a size 4 worsted weight yarn, we will get started. But first, make sure you're subscribed down below to my videos, hit that bell, like this video, and share it with all your friends so they can learn too. Let's get started. Okay, so we're ready to start doing the foundation chain that you need to start with for like any project in crochet that I'm aware of. Some sort of chain is involved. So I have my I hook, 5.5 millimeter, and I have my worsted weight yarn, a size 4. I'm going to grab it about right here and leave this much of a tail because we need to do a slip knot. To do a slip knot, I just take these 2 fingers and wrap my yarn around it, like so. And then I cross it and go up under, just like that, and then pull it. So once you have your slip knot, you're then going to insert your hook into the hole and pull so it gets a little tight on it. You don't want it so tight that your yarn can't move on your hook. It needs to, be able to slide up and down. Okay, are we ready? I hold this loop that's on my hook and this yarn that is obviously still connected to the rest of the skein. You take it with your other hand and wrap it around the back of the hook up to here. And with these 2, you're just going to slide it up. There's one chain. Look, you did it. We're going to bring this back down so it remains the same size as here because this is the size, the 5.5 millimeter. The shaft is what is the size of the loops. You're going to take this again, wrap it around, and pull through. 2. Pull it down. Wrap it around the back, pull your work through. There's 3. Wrap it around the hook, pull it through. There's 4 chains. Pull it down, wrap it around, pull it through. There's 5. Down, around, and through. Down, around, through. Down, around, and through. So, we could count the chains now. I don't know how many I did. I was just going there for a while. But now you can look and see you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one that's a little pulled tight because the way I pulled it is 8. So you now have 8 chains. I can show you this again, just in case you didn't get it. Let me pull this all the way back. This is just how you take your work back if you make a mistake or whatever. So I took it right back to the slip knot, right? So I'm going to insert my hook. Oops. Insert my hook this way so the end yarn is down. I've got it back here on the shaft. I'm going to wrap my yarn around the hook, like so, catch it with the head, and pull it through. Around and through. See, and as you learn how to control your tightness and everything with your hands, you can always, you move it down with your hands too. So now it's down, wrap it around and through. Pull it back down, wrap it around and through. There you have it. that's the foundation chain. All your projects usually are going to start with, chaining some amount. So you're going to need to know how to do the foundation chain. And then as your projects build, you build off this foundation. This is what starts it all. Wrapping it around and pulling it through. So even throughout some projects, you'll chain a few times to make different stitches. But yeah, and then you start, working back into them, which is another video I'll show you. But once you get so many, you start working back in, and that's how you build your work. All right, I'm going to end this video now because, I showed you the foundation chain. It's pretty simple. Practice that a bunch. There is no shame in just doing the foundation chain over and over and over again. I know I had to practice a bunch just to get in the hand movements when I first started, and I know other people do too. They chain for quite a while. But I'm going to get this next video going too on moving up to single crochet off of the foundation chain, because everything builds off of the foundation chain. So practice that. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you soon. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video on how to do the foundation chain in crochet. Look for my next videos for the rest of the crocheting tutorials, and make sure you're hitting the subscribe button down below, liking the video, and sharing it so your friends can learn along with you how to crochet. See you next time on Loopsy Lola.